Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn last concept in our lesson, reflections by mirror. Okay children, already I told you we indicate mirror like this number. Okay, already you learnt more about this concept. If you pass a light ray, immediately it passes in this direction. Okay, this light ray is what we call incident ray. This is what we call incident ray. This is reflected ray. Reflected ray. Okay. Incident ray, reflected ray. Whole this process is what we call reflection. Whole the process is what we call reflection. Like this only, images are formed by the mirror. You know very well, in front of a plane mirror, if a person, this is plane mirror. If a person is standing in front of the mirror, immediately we can see image of the person. We can feel that the person is in the mirror, but actually it formed like this. It is formed like this or not, because how much distance the person move towards the mirror, the image also that much distance comes nearer. Okay na? See, if the person reaches the mirror, image also reaches nearby only. If he touches the mirror, the image also touches there only. If he comes back, image also moves back. Okay. Here, this is the distance between person and mirror. Here it is distance between mirror and image. Okay. Here maybe person or any object. This is what we call object distance. This is what we call image distance. Okay, that's fine. Now here we are observing the images in our plane mirror. Okay, what is the nature of that image? Already you learnt in the case of pinhole camera. In the case of pinhole camera, what is the nature of image? Pinhole camera, that is real image and inverted image. Real image and inverted image. What is inverted image? Upside down. Inverted means upside down. Means top seems to be bottom, bottom seems to be top. That is what we call inverted. But in the case of plane mirror, what type of image you can observe means, in the plane mirror, if you see your image only, top seems to be top only, bottom seems to be bottom only. That's fine, no? So that's why it is called erect image. Okay, erect image always virtual image, virtual and erect image anamata. Okay, so plane mirror forms virtual and erect image. Example, if an object is placed in front of the plane mirror, you can see erect image. And for example, see here, a candle is there here, candle. Okay, here the image also like this only. This is erect as it is anamata. And one more thing, size. How much is the size of the object? Image also same size, but here we get diminished, small image we will get here. In the pinhole camera, we will get small image, but here same size, same size. This is the reflection made by plane mirrors. So what is the definition of reflection? Reflection means the bouncing back of light. The bouncing back of light. Bouncing back of light is called reflection. What is bouncing back? In this plane where you passing the light ray, again it is coming into the same only, same plane. That's why bouncing back, like ball, how the ball bounces. Same in the case of mirror also we can see the same phenomena. That's why the bouncing back of light is what we call reflection of light. Okay, Nana? So today children, we have to read page number 112. Okay, Nana? 112. You can do this activity in your home. Okay, very simple activity only. take a comb and torchlight and place a plane mirror. You can see this reflection. How interesting it is. You can do this activity, and after this you have to read summary all points. I think here only 6 or 7 points given in this one. All points are very important. You have to read. If it is possible, take a pencil and try to answer those simple questions. Okay. Tomorrow I will give you this class work. Okay, right.